I think this event was really awesome. I actually loved it, and I think the kids loved it as well. I can see the love and the energy in their eyes and how happy they were and excited in the cafeteria. I think it's important for them to be exposed to events like this so they can be aware of what's out there in the world, aside from what they're familiar with. Okay. And also so they can build connections with their teachers or be aware of how important their culture is.
What's really great about this event, it gives us the opportunity to celebrate all of those Latinos and Hispanics who have just added greatness to our community.
To me, this was really special because a lot of our kids have Hispanic heritage, and to see that music and that artwork represent who they are, it's just important that it reflects who they are as kids.
I think it's so special because it gives us an opportunity to celebrate culture, and the students' culture is so important to them, and we get to share in that and celebrate the beautiful colors and symbology.
The reason why Hispanic Heritage Month is so important for our students is because it really helps them to take a look at different cultures, different types of foods, different types of celebratories that we experience during the Hispanic National Month, and it's great for them to know the different types of cultures that we have here in the United States.
My family is Hispanic, and I would really like to learn more Spanish so I can understand what they say.
Because it brings their culture into the world. I love their food and culture.
Hispanic Heritage Month means to me is to honor my culture.
Because it's good to celebrate other people's cultures.
It means a lot to me because since I'm Puerto Rican, and it supports all the Hispanic people.
I'm Mexican and Puerto Rican, and it's crazy to see how many people celebrate it and the different ways they celebrate it.
I think it's really important because I feel like it builds a lot more than just coming to school. I think it builds a safe environment where they can relate to the teachers or be aware that they are in an environment that can be comfortable for them as well.